Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand I never had perfume from. And when I saw the name, I thought they are Italian brand or Italian house, but it turned out to be a Polish company, which is in a way is more interesting because I never ever had any Polish fragrances before. So this will be the first Polish perfume to review or to give you my take on it. So without further ado, let's do this. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about, maybe in the right mind. And they are hidden gems. Thank you for your support, thank you for your help. Let's go. Okay, sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing you can't do anything about it. So this one is called Vittorio Bellucci. So with the name Vittorio Bellucci, I thought this is Italian. Well, it's not. I was mistaken. And this one is called Aqua Go Man Expert Eau de Parfum for men, and is 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. The box itself is quite nice. It's a good looking. It's got a good nice coloring on it, which is turquoise. And let's see the bottle. Okay, the bottle is good looking. It's a classical bottle, which is quite nice, quite heavy. The cap is plastic, doesn't have any weight whatsoever, but it doesn't matter. Let's see what the juice like. And the atomizer is gold and modern, and it says Vittorio Bellucci Aqua Go Man Expert. It's got some nice design to it. Here we go. Nice atomizer. Even though it's not pressurized, but it's a good atomizer. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Okay, so let's see how is the smell. Fresh, very inviting, very happy. Green, aquatic, citrus, quite floral, woods. Wow, smells good. Here we go. First impression for this Polish brand, which I've never heard of before. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. It's very fresh. It's super fresh. It's one of the freshest fragrances you ever smell. It's got an aquatic tinge to it, a little bit of oceanic feel to it as well. Hint of saltiness, not too much, just a hint. It's got a big body of floral in here, which is neroli and orange blossom. I can smell a combination of neroli and orange blossom, and it's got a little hint of powderiness in here. It's very woody in the base. The woods are very clean. Overall, this is a very clean fragrance. Clean, fresh, super fresh. It's one of ultra fresh. So it's a very fresh fragrance. It's very good for this time of year, for summer, for the spring, and it smells very delicious. It's very inviting. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. So for the first impression, it smells great, and let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown. So this one, in terms of note breakdown, this is from their own website. It says lemon, eucalyptus, grapefruit and bergamot. Yes. Jasmine, seawater and violet. In the base we have amber, cedar, vetiver and musk. Everything in here I get very distinctly. So very big in the citrus when it opened up. Very bright, very happy, very uplifting, very fresh. And the combination of lemon and grapefruit and bergamot in here giving a beautiful zesty feel to it. Eucalyptus, I'm getting a hint of green, what you call it, a camphorous feel, which is coming from eucalyptus, but it's not a big player. So if you know, because eucalyptus could take over easy, it's very, very strong. So they put a very, very minute amount in here, just making it interesting. Jasmine and violet, yeah, it's just very floral. But what they're not mentioning, I'm smelling something like neroli and also orange blossom, because I can distinctly smell the orange blossom in here. The jasmine and violet here giving it that floral tinge, and also it's about powderiness, but it is a white floral overall. And the base is amber cedar, yeah, the cedar and the amber, and everything is in clean here. Musk, it's a little bit of musky. Vetiver giving a hint of greenness, hint of grassiness as well. Overall it's quite green, and it's very, very uplifting and happy. So what do you get overall? Citrus is massive in the beginning, yes. Very woody in the base, yes, but again very clean, very fresh, very uplifting, quite aromatic. The aromaticness is coming from the, yeah, it is quite aromatic, which is mainly from that eucalyptus, but it's quite nice. A little bit of powderiness, and the amber in here is very, very fluffy and effervescent amber. It's not a deep dense amber. And the white florals are the jasmine, the orange blossom, and the neroli, plus that violet, giving it a hint of that floral in the mid, which is making it very, very nice and balanced with everything else. A little bit of marine, a little bit of saltiness in here, a little bit of aquaticness as well. Overall it's quite musky, and the violet giving it a hint of that powderiness overall, and it's a little bit of green spicy tinge to it, like a herbal tinge to it as well, and also fresh spiciness, which is mainly the herbal feel. So overall smells very, very good for the first impression. Yeah, it's very effervescent, so it's super effervescent, super transparent, very airy, very happy, inviting, easygoing, very careless, very casual. Smells like holiday, basically. It smells like you're on the seaside and you're smelling the sea breeze, and also the cocktails and everything with it, coming with that beautiful beach and things like that. Hint of is it? No, it's not a coconut. It's a hint of maybe like a coconutty feel to it as well. Maybe a little bit of suntan lotion, but it's not. Just my imagination. So overall, green, citrus, floral, especially white floral, very, very woody in the base, which is very, very clean, and it is aquatic, and there's a little bit of saltiness to it, and it's green and happy and effervescent and very, very uplifting for this time of year. The only thing is, let's see how's the performance. If the performance is anything good, even medium, this would be absolute bargain, because I paid under £30 for it and it smells great. But if it doesn't last, then it's going to be one of those miss rather than hit. Okay guys, in terms of age, this is ageless. Anybody from 0 to 10 can wear from 18 to from 15 to 150 can wear it easily. In terms of occasion, this is a casual occasion. It says daytime casual, going to work, going to supermarket, doing your chores, doing your work, and maybe gym, after shower, all these things. In terms of the season, this is better suited for warmer weather, and also in terms of gender, bang in the middle, unisex, men and women can wear it, although it's aimed for men, but it doesn't have anything in here to make it over masculine. So it's very, very unisex to my nose. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men. So that was first impression for this fragrance. Yes, I absolutely love it for the first impression. It just basically put a smile on my face. But let's see what's happening in the next video. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, or from this brand, if you try anything, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody, and I mean this one nobody talked about it anywhere. So you can get fragrances that are known, on the radar, very forgotten. I bring those to your attention. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I leave them in the link as well. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. There are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are true Hidden Gems Plus. The ratio for what you pay and what you get, one of the highest in the world. I put more than 60% perfume oils in my perfumes, and that shows with a huge personality and a huge performance. You should try Persian Summer. It would surprise you. It's a stunner and it's a beast mode. Okay guys, thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye.